Ko Lord, parang hindi tama itong ginagawa ko. Ang haba ng gown ko, dahil site nyo naman. Pero sige, go. Gusto mo to gagita, ha? Ang ina ka. Busa mo po, Pinoy Pride. Hello. Ayan, it's Manny Pacquiao in the house. Happy New Year! Welcome, Mr. Book Vincent Leo J.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto niyo bang malaman ngayon ito? Gusto niyo bang mga kwentong seryoso? Tagumpay at pagkatalo, pag-ibig at pagbabago. Handa na ba kayo? Rated K, halina sumanda na ba kayo? Rated K, masaya at maganda na ba kayo? Rated K, mag-isama makira sa Rated K.
Hi guys! This is Lady Gagita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At syempre kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, please hit the subscribe button and of course the bell notification button para lagi kang updated sa aking mga ganap. Day 2, ladies and gentlemen. So ngayon, ang ating ganap ay pupunta sa Madame Tussauds here in Hong Kong. So I'm already on my makeup. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina ng pagising ko ng umaga kasi gutom na gutom ako at wala ako sa ganang magsalita on camera. But right now, in-game na naman tayo. And of course, medyo umuulan ngayon sa Hong Kong. So, ang challenge ngayon ay mag-commute ako, mag-train ako or magbabas ba ako ng nakaganitis. As in, talagang kung ano yung wax figure ni Lady Gaga, dapat ganun na ganun yung outfit natin. So, ayun, sana ma-survive ko siya and balitaan ko na kayo mamaya sa mga magaganap. Diyos ko Lord, parang hindi tama itong ginagawa ko. Ang haba ng gown ko, dahil site nyo naman. Pero sige, go. Gusto mo to gagita, ha? Ang ina ka. So, andito na ako sa bus and nagkaligaw-ligaw na naman ako as usual. So, 13 stops ito bago ako makarating sa another station. Then magta-transfer na naman ulit ako, tapos maglalakad. And this outfit, okay lang ba? Ang ate. Pero go lang kasi this is my fantasy. Bye! Parang naging tradisyon ko na talaga na bumisita sa bawat branch ng Madame Tussauds tuwing napupunta ako sa ibang bansa. At syempre, suot ang same outfit na inspired sa wax figure. Kaya naman hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang pagbisita kay Gaga sa Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong. Good Lord, napakalayo ko na rito. Pero go, laban lang. So, I'm gonna ride like 5 stops in order for me to go to Madame Tussauds. So, nakita ko yung Madame Tussauds kanina sa dulo ng estasyon. And then, ayun, nagulat sila kasi kamukha ng ng wax figure nila. Sa dinami-dami ng ating napuntahan, here we go! We are here at Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong! Ayan, Diyos ko Lord! Napakalayo pero go! And finally, nandito na tayo sa tahanan ng world's most famous wax figures, Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong. Kung gusto mong i-live ang celebrity fantasy mo, book your tickets via Klook gamit ang code na nasa screen para masulit ang experience mo. Okay, so dito ako ngayon sa glamour part nila. And then, syempre nandito yung mga A-listers, no? Nandito si Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt, and then may mga ano din dito, may mga Asian icons. So, minsan nagugulat na lang talaga ako kasi sobrang realistic nila. Parang totoong tao talaga sila na parang mapapadalawang isip ka, mapapadalawang tingin ka kung totoong tao ba. Kasi, girl, tinan mo naman. Look at the details, tinan mo. Ayan, tingnan mo, sobra. Grabe, oh my God. Ito, maglalakad-lakad pa rin tayo. Nandito din si Vin Bisaya. Vin Diesel, tsaka si Robert Pattinson. Yes, hi there. At andito din si Chris Hemsworth. Ayan, look at that. Oh my gosh. Hala. There you are. Okay, so Mama Gaga is here. Look at that, darling. Oh my gosh, you know what? This mode is insane. Look at the details, guys. Yung hibla ng buhok, sobrang effort ito kasi pati yung mga pekas-pekas niya. Oh shit, kamukhang kamukha. Eto ka na nga, ladies and gentlemen. Officially, nagsimula na ang fantasy. Thank you so much, Madame Tussauds Hong Kong, for always supporting my Delulu dreams. Alam kong medyo Timo edition lang tayo kapag katabi ng wax figure, pero Zai, confidence is key. Hayaan nyo na ako, kayo naman. But wait, there's more. Tararampa tayo sa fashion section. We are here in I think this is a fashion section. So, andito si Kendall Jenner. In this part naman, ayan, andito rin si Rihanna is there, my darling. Look at that. Ang ganda pala ng mukha ni Rihanna sa personal, no? So, dapat pala nag-Rihanna ako pag binabawasan ko yung mukha ko. At syempre, hindi magpapauli ang Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Catriona Gray in the house. Ate, bongga na yung pag-duty mo dyan. Okay, so just like the Madame Tussauds Singapore, meron din sila ditong part ng mga world leaders. So, nandito si Donald Trump. Ano ba yan? Ba't ganun siya? And of course, other leaders of the country. And of course, we have here a section wherein hindi naman mga wax figure. Actually, wax figure pa rin siya kasi merong isang version si Lady Gaga dito. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ayan. So, it's just the mold but then meron siyang mga details and everything. Pa-arts sa eksena. And of course, if you are an Instagram addict and you want your photos to be Instagrammable, this is the spot that you can actually take photos. Natakot ako dito kanina. Si ate, wanted ko, oh my God. Oo. Tapos niyakap pa ng bata. Ilabin niya. Kala mo talaga nanay niya. And of course, since nasa Hong Kong tayo, hindi mawawala ang isa sa kanilang biggest icons and pride, si Jackie Chan. So naloka ako, no? Kasi hindi lang pala mga artista ang meron dito. Meron na pala silang drag queen. From Drag Den Philippines Season 2, Mrs. Tan. Ano na sis? Charot lang, si Bruce Lee talaga yan. Pati paborito yung K-idols and sports icons nandito rin. And also we have here the Philippines most homophobic most homophobic Pinoy pride. Hello! Ayan, it's Manny Pacquiao in the house. Happy New Year! So I'm already here sa kanilang music icon station and nakita ko kanina si Freddie Mercury. Andun din sa baba yung The Beatles and of course, oh my God! Andito yung asawa ko! Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, we have Justin Bieber in the house. Ayun, oh my God. Dito na pala tayo sa Madame Tussauds magkikita. Oh my God, ayun na si Emon. This is Milady Gagira. And this is Justin Bieber. And we are Team Gutter! Hey! And we also have here, may kakolab na si Ariana Grande. Hey! Ang liit pala taga ni Ariana, no? Tsaka mag-rain on me kami nito. Diyan, tignan mo naman. Ganit ng bakla. At kung may favorite section man ako dito sa Madame Tussauds Hong Kong, ito talaga ang Fashion Week section nila. Dito pwede kang magpaka-fashion model per day at iserve ang iyong best runway fantasy. May apang ba tayong napabilib? Pak! Kaya si ate girl sa gilid, napapalakpak na lang talaga. And that's it for Madame Tussauds Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen. I actually enjoyed because napakadaming mga new characters yung mga nakita ko dito, especially si Justin Bieber and of course si Ariana Grande. And of course, I would like to thank Connie. Connie, come here. So, Connie is the one that has assisted me here in Madame Tussauds Hong Kong. Thank you so much, Connie, for doing the pictures. Okay, so ako guys, babalik na lang ako sa aking hotel kasi may show pa ako. I still have a show to make. So, ayun, kailangan ko na bumalik. Bye! So I'm already here na sa Hyatt Centric. So this is gonna be my home for the next days. Ayan, ang ganda sis! Fuck, girl! Nakakasyado naman dito, mga mommy. And look at that. Yes, look at the view. O, diba, Pak? Yung view ko dito, mami, oh. Ang ganda naman dito, kaloka. Anyway, ako ay magbubura na ng aking makeup at pabalik na ako sa pagiging ako dahil may show pa tayo ngayon sa Vivere. So, I'm excited. At the same time, I'm very exhausted right now. Pero go, laban lang. Syempre, te, bakit hindi yan to? Bye! Ay, nagulat naman ako dito. Papaandar. Welcome, Mr. Book Vincent Leo J. ayun, kahit tulala pa ang gay, wala tayong choice kundi magtrabaho. And it's my first show here in Hong Kong dito tayo sa Vivere. Ayan, as you can see, this is the venue. So this is quite big, pero mas malaki lang yung nasa Singapore, but we're actually expecting for cute guys. Siyempre, di ba wala yan, di ba? Ayun, magbe-makeup na ako maya-maya lang. Super excited to perform here. And wala akong dancers dito. It's just an intimate show. It's just me and the guys and the music. So yeah, it's showtime. When I announced that I'd be taking the show around the world, not everyone believed in me. May mga tumawa, may mga nagkumpara, at may mga nagsabi pa ng masasakit na salita. But looking back now, none of that matters. Because guess what? I did it. Hong Kong believed in me. They showed up, sang with me, danced with me, and embraced the experience from start to finish. The world believed in me. From Lover all the way to Midnights, they joined me on this incredible journey and became part of the show. This experience reminded me that you don't need everyone to believe in you for your dreams to come true. Sometimes all it takes is for you to keep going, keep working, and keep believing in yourself. And for that, I am beyond grateful. Thank you for allowing me to share the magic of what Taylor Swift can do. Cheers! Ayun, so kakatapos lang ng show ko sa Vivere at hindi ko na talaga na-vlog yung whole process ko. Talaga sobrang lutang na ako. Pero ayun, nakaka-happy naman na napakadaming nagpunta, napakadaming nag-enjoy, and natutuwa ako kasi yung mga producers sinasabi nila na we hope to see you again here in Hong Kong, and of course, I'm looking forward to it. Sino ba namang may ayaw ng trabaho, diba? And sino ba namang aayaw sa isa na namang international travel? So, I'm certainly hoping na makakabalik ulit ako dito, and I really had fun. The audience was so wild. I want to thank all the Swifties and the supporters here in Hong Kong. Good memories deserve fabulous photos, tama? So nandito ako ngayon sa Hong Kong, and I am living because I finally get to shoot vintage aesthetic content with my Lumos Evoke. Eto ka na nga. This is the top quality digital camera for only 4,999 pesos. Yes, hindi ka nagkakamali. For that price, you're getting 4K video up to 30 FPS and super linaw na 64 megapixel photos. As in pang main character ang atake. And the vibe, iba talaga. You get that soft, dreamy, vintage aesthetic na hindi mo talaga makukuha sa phone mo. May 16 built-in filters pa siya. So kung anong mood mo, boom! Instant! No need na magpakapagod mag-edit. Save agad-agad me! At hindi lang siya pang travel ha. Kahit pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, ginagamit ko pa rin siya for my YouTube shoots. We need that 2000s vintage fantasy, and honestly, Lumos Evoke understood the assignment. Super vlogger-friendly siya because the screen flips outward. So kung mahilig ka mag-selfie or mag-vlog like me, sobrang effortless, pasok na pasok ka sa frame. May built-in flash din siya. So kahit low light or pang night out ang peg mo, carry! Plus may 16 times digital zoom, so kahit malayo ang target mo, kayang-kaya. And smart din siya. Autofocus, anti-shake, timer mode, lahat na. May iba't ibang shooting modes pa like slow motion, time-lapse, auto, and more. As in pang pro pero very easy gamitin. At dahil long-lasting ang battery now with USB-C charging, you can shoot all day without the stress. Perfect for on-the-go queens like me. So if you want that vintage aesthetic, effortless content, and budget-friendly slay, get your Lumos Evoke now. It's my day 3 here in Hong Kong. Meron tayong show maya-maya lang, no? It will be a private show of another day. Erase tour sa Soho House. Kakatapos lang ng show ko kagabi, and I just had like 5 hours of sleep. Pag ang call time, kailangan maaga rin tayo. So, after my show, I will try to roam around Hong Kong because tomorrow, uuwi na po tayo. Ay, just Lord, napakaganda ng Hong Kong, and napakaganda rin ng aking room. Look at that. Siyempre makalat lang, hindi kagita ko eh. Anyway, I'll catch you later. So we're done rehearsing for the second show here at Soho House here in Hong Kong. And of course, I have here some of my dancers. Can you say hi? Here's Jeremy and here's Louis. So sila guys, mga dancers sila ng Disneyland. They've been here for, medyo matagal-tagal na. May tanong ako sa inyo. It was my dream to be a part of Disneyland before. How do you feel, guys?
For me, it's a gift. Of course, working for the happiest place on earth.
I love it. Akala ko EK ng happiest place. May ano pa pala. Disneyland pa pala. Oh, siya ka mag-ibig ka pala, ladies and gentlemen, kasi nga, it's very tight schedule na, so bye. Okay, so in a snap, ayan, Taylor Swift na po ulit ako, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I look pretty in this lighting. Okay, di ko na pahabaan yung vlog na to. It's showtime! Whether it's a big stage or a small one, a big crowd or an intimate audience, as performers, we always make sure to give our 100% best. Sobrang grateful ako sa tiwala ng mga clients ko, kaya naman laging ginagalingan. Moments like this remind me that all the hard work is worth it. And that somehow, my craft is being seen and appreciated by the world. And just like that, tapos na ang aking show. It's actually an intimate show and nakakatawa yung energy nila kasi kahit alam mo yun, konti-konti lang sila pero ang taas ng energy nila. So, ayun, nakaka-happy naman. So, ngayon, ang dami kong show, di ba? Ngayong gabi, siguro gagala kami ni Verushka. So, if Verushka Levels, kasama ko siya mamaya. Cheers! Cheers!
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Good morning! So, this is my day 4 here in Hong Kong. So, mag-check out na tayo sa hotel. But, of course, before checking out, kailangan muna natin i-try ang kanilang pool. I'm here sa kanilang swimming pool. Sa pinaka-taas ng building sa is an infinity pool. Shala-shala, di ba? Ganun lang, mga ate. Simisiming muna tayo. Pakusosyalera muna tayo dito. So, maya-maya ay gagala tayo. At sa Shalira ka, ayos siya, Joy. Like mo naman, no? Konti na ng mga tao nag-swimming dito. So, let's savor the moment of swimming at the top of Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen. Alam mo anong depressing part dito? Wala mag-picture sa akin, te. Putang inang yan. Sa ending, for the selfie. For the 0.5 na lang tayo dito, dahil. Sige na, iba ka lang. Selfie muna tayo ha. Tapos syempre, para may post tayo. May paghambugera post tayo. Sige. Okay, bye. So ngayon, nandito ako sa isang street here in Hong Kong, which is known as the Lady Street, na mukha siya Divisoria. As in talagang like Chinese version ng Divisoria. So ang gagawin ko ngayon ay mamimili ako ng mga pwedeng ipangpasalubong. So basically, yung mga lagi naman talaga pinapasalubong, yung mga rep magnet, yung mga keychain. So eto, nag-ikot-ikot ang game. So ayun, wala na akong time magpunta sa mga lugar-lugar. Avenue of Stars, sa may Victoria Harbor, hindi ko na napuntahan. And syempre ayoko rin naman pumunta kung wala akong kasama kasi wala rin naman akong pictures na magaganda. So ngayon, pupunta na ako sa airport. At syempre, babalik na lang po tayo sa Pilipinas. The next stop will be in Bangkok for the Eastern Thailand. Malapit na rin, it's just 2 days. And then, hindi pa ulit ako sa Thailand. Nandun ako doon. I enjoyed Hong Kong so much. We had this crowd na super longing for drags. And just really wishing that it could be the same thing as the Eris Tour Thailand. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And of course, if you are just new here in my YouTube channel, please go ahead and click subscribe. Click the bell notification button para lagi kang updated sa aking mga ganap. Sige, Lady Kakira. Now, signing off. Bye guys! Rated G would like to give a special shout out to Obed Law, Mitch Research Sean, Crystal Acidilia 5307, JL Ngao, Mundo ni Nico, It Wasn't Love, Christopher Morningstar JX5GP, at eto naman ang ating featured comment of the week. Kung gusto mong ma-shoutout kita on my next vlog, comment ka lang below. At kung gusto mo ng mas bonggang shoutout na may pakonfetti pa, pwede ka mag-super thanks. Ay, Zay, tatanawin kong utang na loob yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta mga G na G. This is Lady Gagita, reminding you na kahit ilang beses ka madapa sa buhay, G lang. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Rated G.